Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. TONxDAO and Tonkeeper partnership. What it means for the TON ecosystem. The TON blockchain is making waves again, and this time, it's through an exciting partnership between TONxDAO and Tonkeeper. This strategic move not only strengthens the TON ecosystem but also offers users incredible rewards and opportunities to become more involved in the blockchain community. Here's everything you need to know about this groundbreaking collaboration and what lies ahead. A new chapter. TONxDAO teams up with Tonkeeper. In a significant leap forward for the TON blockchain, TONxDAO has partnered with Tonkeeper, the most popular wallet for TON blockchain users. This collaboration represents a shared vision of expanding the TON ecosystem while making it easier for users to engage with decentralized finance (DeFi) services. TONxDAO is known for its focus on empowering users through community-driven governance and rewards. By joining forces with Tonkeeper, the team aims to enhance accessibility and deliver a seamless experience for all TON enthusiasts. This partnership is designed to attract more users, improve engagement, and build a stronger foundation for the ecosystem. The highly anticipated $DAO Airdrop. As part of this partnership, TONxDAO is gearing up for an exciting $DAO token airdrop. This is your chance to claim free tokens and get involved in the TONxDAO ecosystem. All you need to do is connect your TON wallet to TONxDAO, and you'll be ready to participate. How to prepare for the airdrop. Step 1. Ensure you have a TON wallet, preferably Tonkeeper. Step 2. Connect your wallet to TONxDAO through the platform's app. Step 3. Stay tuned for announcements about the airdrop dates and claim instructions. This airdrop isn't just about free tokens, it's a gateway to exploring the benefits of TONxDAO, earning rewards, and taking part in the community's governance. Streamlined access with Tonkeeper integration. The partnership introduces TONxDAO directly into the Tonkeeper wallet, making it easier than ever to access and engage with the platform. Tonkeeper users can now find TONxDAO listed in the Apps section of the wallet. This integration simplifies the process for users to explore the features of TONxDAO, participate in community-driven governance, complete tasks and earn rewards effortlessly. No need to switch between apps. Everything you need is right there in your Tonkeeper wallet, ensuring a smooth and intuitive experience for both new and experienced users. Earn big rewards. 500,000 DAO tokens up for grabs. To celebrate this collaboration, TONxDAO is rolling out a special reward campaign. Users can earn a share of 500,000 DAO tokens by completing simple tasks on the platform. Here's how to get started. Open the TONxDAO app from the Tonkeeper wallet. Tap the wallet icon in the top right corner. Connect your TON wallet to the app. Complete tasks and claim your rewards instantly. These tasks are designed to be beginner-friendly, making it easy for anyone to participate and benefit. The goal is to incentivize engagement and introduce more users to the TONxDAO ecosystem. Why this partnership matters? This collaboration between TONxDAO and Tonkeeper is more than just a technical integration. It's a significant step toward building a stronger, more connected blockchain community. Here's why it's a big deal. Improved accessibility. Users can now access TONxDAO directly through their favorite wallet app, reducing friction and encouraging participation. Generous rewards. With easy-to-complete tasks, users can quickly earn $DAO tokens and grow their involvement in the ecosystem. Ecosystem expansion. This partnership highlights the TON blockchain's ability to bring together innovative projects and foster collaboration, creating a thriving ecosystem for everyone involved. What's next for TONxDAO and Tonkeeper? The partnership with Tonkeeper is just the beginning for TONxDAO. The team is committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. Here's what you can expect in the near future. More partnerships. TONxDAO is actively seeking new collaborations to expand its reach and enhance its offerings. Enhanced features. The platform will continue to innovate, introducing new tools and services to empower users. Community growth. TONxDAO is focused on building a vibrant, engaged community that plays an active role in shaping the platform's future. With Tonkeeper's support, TONxDAO is poised to become a central player in the TON blockchain ecosystem. Don't miss out. Now is the perfect time to get involved with TONxDAO and Tonkeeper. Connect your wallet, earn rewards, and prepare for the DAO Airdrop. By taking these steps, you'll not only maximize your gains but also become part of a growing community that's shaping the future of blockchain technology.